another day, another vlog. So, kaka-upload ko lang nung first vlog ko for this year. So, I will put the link sa description box. So, anyways, good afternoon. It is currently 4:54 in the afternoon. Kita nyo ba? 4:54 in the afternoon. It is Wednesday, January 7. If I'm not mistaken, January 7 today. So we're going out again. And walang iba kundi sa SM. Kasi wala naman dito ibang mapupuntahang ganong place. Kasi wala, hindi pa masyadong dito sa source. Anyways, yun na nga yun, we're just going to eat dinner doon kasi wala kaming food sa bahay. So yeah, eat lang kaming dinner, and after that feeling ko uwi na kami or mag-photo booth kami kasi gusto ko mag-photo booth para madagdagan yung photos ko dun sa room ko sa dorm. So anyways, I'm just wearing black shirt and black shorts. Nabigyan ni Tiffany, by the way. Thank you so much, Tiffany. So yeah, one of my favorite na to kasi very comfy siya and then malaki. I mean like, oversized kasi yung binili ko. Pinili ko, na binili niya. So anyways, yeah, mag-vlog ulit ako para ma-motivate ako mag-upload ng sunod-sunod na vlog and mag-edit. Actually, na-edit ko na yung first vlog, so proud to yourself. Proud to yourself, proud of yourself. So, yes, see you later guys. Bye!
Puno na di ang scrap. Ang scrap niya kay
tomorrow.
mapatahin na lang daw kay panip.
Kaming chismis?
Maano daw ang ang
Para makadito paano
ang tela.
chismis.
Ano daw po din sabi ni Ate?
Chismis. Hello guys. So sana narinig niyo ako. So good morning. It's currently 9:43 in the morning. I'm here in Legazpi kasi nag-enroll si Aina. Actually nag-enroll din ako via online kasi online naman ang enrollment namin. So ayun, nag-enroll ako sa car, which is nakakahilo siya. Nakakainis. Anyways, nandito ako sa Starbucks right now. Mag-isa kasi si Mami sinamahan si Aina sa school. Just malapit lang naman dito. And then si Daddy may pinuntahan siya. Pinaayos yung car. So, solo lang ako. Pero medyo patapos naman na ata sila, Mami. So, naghihintay na lang ako dito. It's been an hour since andito ako sa SB. So, yeah, after this one, we're going to the mall ata. Yun lang naman. So, update lang sa enrollment ko. Watak-watak po aking schedule for this semester. So, anyways, that's fine. Ganun talaga pag Ateneo, be. Kailangan mo pumili ng schedule. Nakakainis. So, yeah. That's for our update. And I will see you sa next clip. Bye! Hello guys! Good afternoon. It's currently 5:06 in the afternoon. Yeah. So, it's the next day. Kahapon, kukwento lang. Kahapon is nagpaligaspi kami. You can see sa previous clip natin. So, yun. And then after that, madala kami ng SM to eat lunch, and after that, umuwi na din kami kasi dumaan pa kami sa bahay namin sa Pilar. So, today, it's a rainy day, rainy afternoon. I'm going out. If you can see, same yung jacket ko sa previous vlog. So, inulot ko lang kasi sayang naman. And madali lang naman ko tong ginamit last time. So, madali ko rin ulit gagamitin today. So, I'm going out with Tiffany. Just gonna eat dinner lang and then going to SM. So, I'm craving for ramen. I'm craving for ramen. So, we're eating ramen for tonight sa ramen house here in Sorsogon. Hopefully, bukas siya. And hindi siya masyadong matao. Kasi mostly matao siya if ganito yung panahon. So So yun, try natin kasi it's been almost 3 years since I last ate there. So after that, we're going to SM na. And I don't know if anong gagawin namin doon sa SM. So I'll be updating nyo na lang mamaya. So for now, let's go and we'll see Tiffany doon na lang sa ramen house. Bye!
Sabi ko, punta kayo sa DOST pag may vacant time kayo.